Welcome to the time for a meal. Don't have any ideas for party snacks? I have 3 great appetizers for you to meet up with friends. Chop the dill. Toast the dill with the cream cheese and season with pepper and salt. Spread the unfolded puff pastry with cheese. The only difficulty with the recipe is spreading enough cream cheese to give it a little softness, but not too much, otherwise it might go soggy during baking. Use a pizza cutter to cut the dough in strips of about 1 to 1.5 centimeters. Roll into snails. Brush with beaten egg. Roll in sesame seeds. Place on a baking tray. Place in preheated oven to 200 degrees and bake for 15 minutes. Set aside to cool. Cut the radish into half slices. Prepare roasted from smoked salmon. Make roastes on the snails with the rest of the cheese and dill. Place 1 salmon rose and 3 radish half slices each. Garnish with parsley. If you like my video, do not forget to leave a like and subscribe. Cut the cucumber lengthwise into thin slices. Wipe the water off the slices. Cut slices of the same width from the ham and cheese. Spread with herb cheese. Put the cheese, ham, and roll up like roulade. Tie with chips. Sprinkle everything with chopped parsley. Melt the butter in a pan. Cut the onion into small cubes. Fry the onion in a pan. Chop the roasted and dried mushroom finely. When the onion starts to brown, add the diced mushrooms and fry until most of the water has evaporated. Add chopped chicken breast. Season with salt, mix and fry. Season with pepper at the end of frying. Fill the crushed walls with the mushroom and chicken mixture. Sprinkle with mozzarella cheese. Bake until the cheese melts. After baking, add a parsley leaf and a cherry tomato. Bon appetit! Did you like it? Subscribe to be up to date. See you next time!